Slowly, slowly, top layer liquid you transfer. Slowly, slowly. Do it in a gently, carefully. This is not the way to hold the pipette. You look this person how to hold it. Perfect, you doing. Little up, keep up. All right, this is perfect. This is a perfect way to perform. I love it. Do it gently, slowly, slowly do it. अभी हो जाएगा देते कार्तिक your job is done give me this pipette, take this pipette, young boy, be stand up here. Perfect. impurity नहीं लेना है, बाकी clear liquid transfer करना था. That's fine. Good. That much is okay. Stop. Right. Everybody saw me इधर. मत निकालिए मिश्रा जी, मत निकालिए. क्यों निकाल रहे? नहीं रुकिए तो. Don't remove.